Hi guys, today I will be fixing the gasket of this front loader washing machine. As you can see, it is going out already. It's already out of the lock of the ring. To do that, I will use a DIY tool. I'll show you. I will be using this clamp, then cable tie, also the wire cutter. But first, I will need some modification on this clamp, because this one, when you press this trigger, this one is getting closer. So I need to be going away from each other. To do that, there's an option here. You can remove this part. Then take this off. Then place it on the other end. Okay. Now it's on the other end. Okay, so what you can see is if I press the trigger, then these two are moving away from each other. That is what we need to expand the spring. Okay, now we go back to this washing machine. First, we need to locate where is the spring. So I already located it. Then it is right here. Yeah, I can see. I hope you can see it that way. Yeah, then we need to first we need to put the cable tie. Into the hole, the spring. Push some more. You can see. Now it should be the other way around. Put it again. Okay. Lock a little bit. Now it's locked there. Then fix the other one, the bottom, the spring. Yep. Long lock. I don't know if you can see it clearly. Maybe lower the camera a little bit. Now you can see springs here. See, the spring 1 is here, then spring 2 is here. Then time, place it here. We make it shorter. Also this one. Yep. This one too. Now we can try to expand it. Now it's off. Maybe we can expand more. Now it's off. Now we can position this properly. Just position it properly. Make sure it is all aligned properly inside the slot. Yeah. Now I think it's better to place the spring at the bottom so it's easier. Just clean up a little bit. Yeah. I need to make it. So I put the 2 screws here, then hold by the cable tie, then I can make the spring expand, then this one is going very close to the edge. Okay, you finally got a better solution. I put a screw in the end. So I put a screw here and a screw there. So the tip of the screw is holding the spring. I think that's a better solution. So I can put the spring inside. Then I can just cut the wire, the cable tie. Then it should be okay. Then just cut it. Or I can release the tension as well. Now it's inside. All good. So it's well placed now. That's it. Thank you for watching.